CCTV sewer inspection. Property address is Finton Girls Grammar School, Balwyn Road, Balwyn. We're in the actual Margaret Ross Centre. We're in the actual canteen staff toilet. So this is a unisex male-female toilet. We've got the cleaner sink here. Just turn that around. Basin, male toilet, and we have a shower in there. We've got a floor waste just in front of the basin, and the basin pretty sure runs into this floor waste. So we're going to inspect through here. It's 100mm PVC drain, so we're going actually through the floor waste. We'll just zero that camera out, the meter counter. Now we've got the small camera reel in. It's a non-self-leveling camera head, so it actually just goes on its side everywhere. We're actually going into a junction through there. Now we've got a drain here that's actually holding water. Okay, we've still got water through here. Actually, we've got a bit of paper sitting in the drain. So this has actually just got a bit of a paper choke. We might run some water, actually give the toilet a flush. Now flush the toilet next door. You can see that that's moving. Might run the basin as well and run some water. Okay, that's cleared that up. So there has been a partial blockage here. We might just pull this back and see if we actually have a junction. No, we've still got paper there. Okay, we'll try and give that toilet another flush. Try and dislodge that paper. Looks like that is actually gone. Okay, we're coming up to a 90-degree bend, or 88 degree. Might keep the water flowing just to help us get with the camera. Just turn the sound off to you hear the banging of the cable. We'll just try and push as far as we can. Now we've just pushed up to this bend. It looks like it's a jump up, so the drain is actually dropping down. So this is going into a vertical pipe. That fitting hasn't been pushed in the pipe all the way. We'll just try and see how we can go, if we can get through this. Okay, we are going into a vertical shaft. Actually not sure what that is there. Might just turn the water off for a second. That fittings looks like it's been cut. You can see right in the screen there's a split in there. We'll just let that water run off for a sec. We'll just leave that there. I've just pushed around that fitting of some sort. Don't know exactly what it is, but we've got around, so I'll keep pushing. I'll just turn the sound off. Now I've pushed approximately 10.5 metres. This camera is actually upside down, so virtually you can see the water at the top at 12 o'clock. That's the pipe on grade dropping into another vertical stack. This is what they call a 45-degree junction with a 45-degree bend in there. So we're going to go outside and just check. There's a grate picking up surface water that looks like it's connected into the sewer. We're just going to put a bucket of water down and see if that water comes through that shaft. Now we just poured down a small amount of water from the surface grate, so there's a stainless steel grate or channel with a grate over it with a 2-inch outlet that's connected to the storm water. So this surface water is getting collected and discharged into this jump up for the sewer. Now we've just confirmed that that jump up there is connected to this surface grate at the top of the stairs, so it's in the walkway coming down to the stairs. So they've connected the stormwater grate into the top of the sewer. So there was, on the original plans here, there should have been a jump up to surface for future access. So this is where the drain's dropping down, running along the west side of the basketball court, connecting into the other part of the sewer in the Margaret Ross Centre. There is a stormwater point just in front of where there's disabled or raised tiles just before the top of the step. So I'd say that was the stormwater point for this grate. So we'll just inspect on the way back. Now it looks like we've got a junction there of some sort. So I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, whether that's a broken junction in the drain. So I'm not sure what's actually picked up through there. Broken junction. Now, as I said before, this fitting has not been pushed in, glued in properly. We're pulling the camera back. Might just run a little bit of water so you get an idea of where the drain, the invert, which is the bottom of the pipe. So at the moment it's at 12 o'clock at the top of the pipe. We'll just wait for the water to run through a little bit. We'll just run a little bit of water just to get a little bit of flow happening. So at the moment you can see it's at the top, it's stained. We'll just come back a little bit more. So we're coming around a bend. So you can see where at the bottom there's water flowing. Might just slow that down a little bit. Look like a little bit of dirt stuck in the bottom of the pipe. So that was a 90-degree bend or 88-degree right hand. We've now got a left-hand bend. We're coming around again an 88-degree. So you can see where the water is actually running. So I think somewhere here at 3.5 metres we had a paper choke. Just some paper sitting there in the bottom of the pipe. You can see there's just paper sitting there, not moving. What we might do is paper test the actual toilet, flush the toilet with some paper in it and see what happens. I'm pretty sure it'll be one of these junctions.